of lots of great information that you probably need to know right now, especially if you are missing out on life because of chronic neck or back pain. Well, guess what? You don't have to miss out on it any longer. I want you to meet Jennifer Bowser of Laser Spine Institute with how she can help you in ways to protect your back while exercising, just to avoid that pain altogether, right, Jennifer? That's right. We just don't want to get there.
Exactly.
Okay, first of all, tell me and our viewers at home, what is the Laser Spine Institute?
So we're actually the leader in minimally invasive spine surgery throughout the U.S. We have 7 facilities throughout the United States, and we actually have a beautiful state-of-the-art 25,000 square foot facility right here in Scottsdale.
Wow, that's a very large facility.
It is.
So tell me about the people that come to you, the patients that come to you. Who is the perfect candidate? Who can you help?
It's a great question. A lot of our patients are patients that have been suffering with chronic neck or back pain for, on average, approximately 9 years. It doesn't mean you have to wait that long to seek treatment. However, I will say these patients have traditionally exhausted their conservative care options and are just looking for another avenue of support.
Okay. What about people who may have already had some sort of spine surgery? Are they good candidates at all?
Potentially, yes. We don't eliminate that as an option when we're discussing their surgical options that they have for either neck or back surgery.
Because you're the person they're going to come see, right? When they walk in, they make their appointment. Dr. Bowser, you're going to sit down with them and review their MRI and really find out if there is some help that you can provide for them.
Right, so we offer complimentary initial consultations, and we will review any imaging that they bring in that's within the past 4 years, explain their conditions, and let them know if they're good candidates.
Excellent. You know, what is the difference in the type of procedures that you do, minimally invasive versus some of the more invasive procedures, I can say?
Without getting too graphic.
Thank you.
Yes. We utilize a muscle sparing technique, so we don't actually cut through the musculature. We use a series of dilating tubes, so there's a lot less bleeding as a result, less post-operative pain, so then in turn a much faster recovery time.
Excellent.
And less than a 1-inch incision in most cases as well.
Well, here's what I love what you've done for us today is you've brought along some exercises that are really going to help us prevent back pain, making sure that we're strengthening our core and doing the right things. Mary has been kind enough to do some demonstrations for us. So tell me, what is the first exercise that you recommend that we really strengthen?
So yoga can be beneficial for a number of reasons. I'm going to have Mary actually assume just the plank pose. I know a lot of people are familiar with this. She's going to get down on her elbows and put her hands in a fist position. This can be beneficial in maintaining a strong core. This is kind of a built-in core for us, and this can be beneficial when we do any other type of exercise as well.
And this is so simple. I mean, you don't need anything.
Don't need just any equipment.
Right down on the floor.
You can do it on the carpet.
And how long do you hold this position?
So on average, I would like somebody to try to hold it for 30 to 60 seconds and do this 5 to 6 times.
Okay. Mary, you feel it in your core, don't you?
She's going to transition into being on her side. She's going to stack her feet, and I want to make sure that she keeps her body in a straight line. A lot of times I see people dip their hips down or lean them up. Same thing when she's in that straightforward plank pose. So we want to avoid that.
So you're trying to keep this all straight. And
straight
again,
line.
This is core.
You're bracing your core to keep your body in a straight line.
It is really about the core.
Exactly.
Isn't it? A lot of people don't really realize that.
They don't.
All right. This is something. Now here's a tool, and I love these balls because you can, do
so many things with them.
So many. So tell me about this exercise and what it's going to do.
So Mary's just going to demonstrate a basic extension exercise that you can do. So she's going to put her lower abdomen on the ball. She's going to bring.
So you're resting your whole body on the ball.
Yes,
here.
It's a little bit of additional support. She's going to put her arms out in front of her on either side of her ears, and she's going to keep her neck straight because we don't want to place any additional strain on the cervical spine either. And then all she's going to do is extend back, and this is going to engage these muscles in the lower lumbar spine. And she can rest and hold that for 5 to 10 seconds at a time and do that 10 to 15 times.
This is a little bit more advanced because
of the
balancing you have to do.
Exactly. So if you want to make it easier, you can put your knees on the ground.
Show us the easy way, Mary. There you go.
There you go. Okay. Perfect. That's the easy way, keeping your knees on the ground.
Okay, more for stability.
Exactly.
A lot of people, if you're not quite there yet.
You shouldn't push it because we don't want to create injuries.
Exactly. Because I had no clue It's going to blow your mind. You try these exercises at home, just how difficult they really are.
They really
can totally
be.
feel them.
So
Great
it's important,
preventative measures.
Exactly. It's important to slowly increase the amount that you do because you really don't want to overdo it.
Absolutely not. We don't.
We don't want to create a problem. We want to prevent the problem.
Yes, I'm glad you're here to help us, but no offense,
yes,
right?
Exactly.
We want to stay healthy.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Really great information, and I have some more information for you as well. The Laser Spine Institute, as Dr. Bauer said, they are offering a free MRI review to anyone suffering from chronic neck or back pain. It's very easy to set up your appointment. Just call 1-844-913-BACK or visit their website to learn more, laserspineinstitute.com.